Hi, I'm Jennifer Coulter. I'm an elder law attorney. I help my clients get Medicaid that pays for the part of their nursing care that their monthly income can't. I love my job. I get to help the greatest generation. But I was horrified when a man told me that he was contemplating suicide to get the life insurance proceeds to pay for his wife's care. Fortunately, I was able to tell him that the system he paid into his whole life would take care of her when he couldn't. But I'm also someone who's only able to stand here in front of you today telling that story because of the Affordable Care Act. When I was 22, I was waiting tables to pay my way through college. My work didn't have health care, so I didn't either. I had a 7-inch blood clot in my brain. I went blind. I did long-lasting nerve damage. That I am alive is a miracle that I will never stop being grateful for. But I got out of the hospital 6 figures in medical debt with no way to pay it off and no foreseeable path to getting back to work. There was a safety net for me. I got Medicaid that paid for my care. I got benefits that helped me go back to school and get the education I needed to become an attorney. Even with that, I still wouldn't have made it without the Affordable Care Act. I have pre-existing conditions that prevented me from getting the care that I needed to be able to get out of bed and come to work every day. Now, though, I'm covered and I'm back at work. I'm paying into the system instead of drawing out of it. I am what we want these systems to be. I am living the American dream because of the Affordable Care Act. If the Graham Cassidy Bill passes, all of that will change. Per capita caps on Medicaid spending will mean that we'll have substantial restrictions on eligibility requirements or possibly even Medicaid nursing home bed rationing. I most likely would not have been able to tell that husband that we could pay for his wife's care without him having to die for it. People like me with pre-existing conditions will not be able to break the cycle of government dependency and get back to work. Healthcare is complicated. No one gets that more than those of us who depend on the system. But I am begging you, the senators who represent us, please don't make this be something that results in harm to so many Americans because you need it done by the end of the month to take advantage of procedural loopholes. The system isn't perfect. It needs work. Sit down. Work together to find a solution. Take the time that you need to get it right because my life, because all of our lives are on the line and in your hands.